Hi guys, it is October 1st and I've just gotten out of the shower and done my makeup and a hair mask, and I have a very busy day today and just a lot of things to get done before Avery and I go out of town for about a month. Out of town meaning, I don't know, like we still don't have a home, so it's not really going out of town I guess, but before we are in New York and LA for a month. So we have to pack up a suitcase and pre-film some videos and take care of things with our samples and just do a lot of stuff. This morning I have pretty much just been on email doing a bit of much needed hair care. Excuse the mess in the background. I am trying on clothes that I'm going to be packing for New York. This is an outfit that I picked out to wear to the Calvin Klein event this coming weekend. So everything I'm wearing is from Calvin Klein jeans. Pieces do totally tie in to Raf's vision of Calvin Klein, 205 West 39th Street. So I have this floral sort of prairie girl dress. It's a maxi dress. And I have it layered with one of their black ribbed turtlenecks, which are so comfortable. And my Docs. So that's the outfit I'm wearing. I feel like I should have gotten a bigger size in this dress so that it was a bit more oversized. I got a size small. So if you're looking to purchase, maybe look into that. But it's also just my body type. Like I have a big chest but little everything else. So it's hard. But super cute. It's very like horror movie-esque. This is what I have decided to wear today. I have my Jaden boots that I wear almost every day now. Good purchase on my end. And this humongous Raf sweater that's Avery's, which I've actually never worn as a dress before, but I've decided to wear it as a dress today. And the Calvin Klein jeans black turtleneck. Alright. Hi you guys. Haven't talked to you in a while. It is now almost 5 p.m. I've been filming. I just finished my last video that I was filming on iPhone because my camera died and ran out of memory, and I had reset it up a couple times and I was like, you guys on here don't mind. Maybe on my main channel you don't mind either. I need to help Avery do some things. We need to ship our samples back to our factory and just do an assortment of other things. So I think I'm going to change back into the outfit that I was wearing earlier because I played a little trick on my main channel and I changed outfits before I filmed another video. And we'll probably go do something for Instagram. I need to catch up on more emails. I need to pack and prepare our meals for our journey tomorrow. We're taking a train to Chicago. It's like a 5 to 6 hour train, which sounds really bad, but we get the cheapest flights to New York out of Chicago via Spirit Airlines. I know people hate on them, but I think it's just like an American thing to hate on budget airlines. And I don't know, for me, I'm just trying to get from point A to point B, and it's fine if I'm not the most comfortable. Like flying normal airlines, it's really not that much better of an experience, at least for me, because I don't fly like first class or anything like that. So Spirit is where it's at. We got $25 flights to New York City, and then from New York to LA our flight was like $80 each or something like that. So in my opinion, totally worth it. But anyways, I need to pack our meals in our little bento box, which is what we've been trying to do a lot more lately when we travel. Especially since we both eat a plant-based diet, and just like eating at the airport. Do you ever get a good meal at the airport? I'm wondering. I feel like that's the reason why I always feel like kind of sick, because I'm just like snacking on nuts or like fruit that's been sitting out for a long time when I'm at the airport, or chocolate, instead of eating real food. But you can actually bring food through airport security. Unless you are traveling internationally, then usually you can't. But oh my gosh, total life changer. So I need to meal prep for us before our journey tomorrow, like I said, and then we are heading to New York. I am making quite the variety of food right now, some to eat for dinner and some to pack for our meals tomorrow. One thing being this Amy's pre-made meal. They have a bunch of great vegan and vegetarian options, and I haven't tried this one, so Avery and I got this, and it's in the oven right now. And for being a pre-made meal, all the ingredients are very healthy if you want to pause and look at those. We're also going to try out this from Trader Joe's. Never tried that before. We have some pesto that we want to use up. I think we're eating this for dinner tonight, a mix of the Indian pre-made meal and Italian meal, I guess. So we're gonna make the rest of our gardein meatless meatballs and use up the rest of our pesto on the mochi, and then use the rest of our tomato sauce on the meatballs. It's quite a random meal. And then for tomorrow, I think I'm gonna pack away some ramen with some broccoli and edamame. The lighting is really bad just because it's dark outside. This house gets so much natural light though. It's amazing during the daytime. But I have a tofu block pressing that we're going to meal prep for tomorrow. Because like I think I told you guys earlier, we are traveling from like 6:40 in the morning until 9 p.m. So we're packing like all of our meals away. Mushrooms, a butternut squash, and some eggplant. So we'll probably roast all of that stuff in the oven, and I don't know what I'm gonna season everything with yet, but we'll see. Avery just ran off to FedEx. We had to do some revisions on our first round of samples. The lights are flickering in here. It's so scary. Love this house, but it's scary. But yeah, we had to do revisions on our first round of samples. So it's basically just like taking measurements, taking a neck in, adding morbid inseam. Tofu and cashews and vegetables in one. A ramen that I just also added some cashews to because I love cashews in the other. Our what was in the fridge and freezer dinner.
Constantly. Has it made your
To show you what I'm packing, I have this Margiela button-up that Avery and I share, all of my clothing for the Calvin Klein events that we're going to, blazer, this giant raft sweater, and I also have my Angela Meester leather skirt in there as well. And then this is another suitcase that we're bringing just because we have a lot of stuff to bring, and also to bring back different band tees and workout clothes and things to sleep in, and some things that Avery's giving to Grail to sell. I'm bringing 2 books. Here is what I'm reading currently, and I'm about halfway through this. And then I just picked up Patty's new book. You guys know I love all of her books. This one's pretty short, as you can tell. I am considering bringing another book, but I think that's a little optimistic. So just these for now. I want to do a video soon talking about some books I've been reading recently, just because I'm trying to read a lot more, especially being out of school. So if you have any book recommendations for me, I would love to hear them, especially if they're kind of based off of these. I am so tired, and it seems like we're only gonna get a few hours of sleep tonight, but we can definitely sleep on the train. I just wanted to properly end this vlog. What a rare occasion that I do that. But I think we have everything packed. I've just been sitting in bed making a list of things we can't forget in the morning. Boring information that you guys do not need to know. When we get to New York, I am looking forward to marching my way to Sephora and buying some sheet and eye masks, because because I haven't had one of those in a while. Anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep soon. I just need to go take our laundry out of the dryer and pack away a few last things. But I hope you guys enjoyed this first day of October vlog. I know it's a little bit boring and I was just around here pretty much all day, but hopefully when we're traveling things can be a tiny bit more interesting. If you have any topics that you would like me to cover in these videos, definitely leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you soon. Bye!